Mama, listen, I want to talk to you.
Can't you see I am busy right now? I am talking to someone.
Papa, I want to discuss something.
Beta, right now I am busy. Can't you see? I am making my presentation. Whatever you want to tell, go discuss it with your sister.
Didi, do you have some time for me? I want to discuss something really important with you.
Don't disturb me, you little kid. Can't you see I am busy with my phone? We will discuss the things later.
Where should I go? Whom did I ask? Nobody is answering me. Nobody is ever listening to me. Not even my parents are listening me. Am I such a useless person?
Day 2 in school.
Bhavesh, what happened to you? Why are you not talking to anyone in the class?
Yes, Bhavesh, what happened to you? Is everything alright in your family? Or did someone bully you?
No, it's okay. I am fine. I am just little bit worried.
Why, Bhavesh? What is the issue?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, dear students. Please sit down.
Hey Bhavesh, what's wrong with you today? Is everything okay?
No, ma'am, everything is fine.
No, ma'am, something is there. He is not even talking to us since morning.
Ma'am, I had a question. I read something on my phone yesterday that has troubled me a lot. I read that a 15-year-old student took his own life because of intense pressure of studies. We are all 11 and 12-year-olds now. Will we also have such intense pressure in few years that we also might have these thoughts?
Yes, ma'am. I have also come across both these news stories. They create a lot of anxiety in me, and I just want to shut off all my social media accounts and hide somewhere.
Has anyone else also read about or gone through something like this? Tell your story.
Ma'am, I read about a different case where a girl was bullied so much by her classmates on social media that she ran away from home.
You don't have to worry, dear students. These types of questions often arise in the student's mind, but I am always there for you. Whatever you go in life, I will always be there to help you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. This discussion was really helpful. Ma'am, I was searching my answer here and there. Nobody, not even my family, had time for me. It was you, ma'am. Only you gave me hope. You were always there during my hard times. You answered my question. You raised me well. In fact, you are raising me well. Thank you so much, ma'am, for always being there with me. Thank you, ma'am.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Sing it right now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. Yeah. I owe you thank you. Thank you. I owe you thank you. Here we go, verse 2. I'm grateful for the way you've been a friend to me. Sing, oh, oh. And even in the deepest, darkest night, you help me see. Sing it right now. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. I owe you thank you. Thank you. I owe you thank you. I owe you thank you. Thank you. I owe you thank you. Loving from the start, for every beat in my heart, for everything you are. I just wanna say.
PTM day in the school.
Mr. and Mrs. Singh, I have seen that your son is not participating actively in school activities. Earlier, he was an active participant. What happened to him?
We don't know anything, ma'am.
Most of the times, I am busy with my business tours and meetings. It's his mother's duty to keep an eye on the child. I don't know what exactly happened with him.
Ma'am, I keep scolding him to study hard and achieve good marks, but he never listens to me. I don't know what has happened with him. Also, I can't be with him every time. I also have to go various places as I am a social worker.
Dear parents, whatever you're doing it for your child. And when you can't give time to your child, what will be the use of all those things?
But ma'am, we have arranged servants at home. They can take care of the child. Also, we have provided everything to our son.
It's your son, dear parents. You need to at least give some time to your child. You need to listen to him. He is in his growing stage right now. He might have various questions floating in his mind. You need to answer them. If you don't give time to your child, your son might get depressed. And it's high time that you start giving time to your son. It doesn't matter that how much busy you are or how important your meetings are. You need to spare time for your child.
Okay, ma'am. From now onwards, we will give our time to our child. We understood that we were not raising our child, but our money was. Now, we will raise our child. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable advice.
कुछ कहानी अधूरी रही, कुछ बातें अनसुनी, कुछ रह गए ख्वाब अधूरे जो हो सकते थे पूरे। मन में कई अनसुलझे ख्याल बाकी रहे, ना मिल सके उत्तर जिनके ऐसे सवाल बाकी रहे। दुनिया की भीड़ में एक तलाश अधूरी रही, पास होकर भी परिवार में क्यों ये दूरी रही। नन्हे से बच्चों को ना मिल सका प्यार माँ बाप का, जो भटके हैं बच्चे उसमें कसूर है बस आपका। जो मिल जाते उनको अपने अनसुलझे सवालों के जवाब आपसे, तो फिर क्यों वो उन सवालों को इधर उधर तलाशते। आपसे अगर हो सके तो बस इतना कीजिए, दिन के चंद घंटे अपने बच्चों को दीजिए। सुनिए उनकी बातें, उनके बेचैन सवालों को, और पंख दीजिए उनके इन मासूम ख्यालों को, और पंख दीजिए उनके इन मासूम ख्यालों को, और पंख